All right, so we're talking space, we're talking pattern analysis and pattern of life recognition. Just wanted to show you really quick how we go from these raw observations about where space objects are. And we only get these observations like maybe once a day, maybe once every couple of days, or maybe a few times a day, but really not enough to give us a detailed description of where something is. So we do a thing where we regularize the data. And we're basically taking the observations, which are these green triangles here. This is the update we get. And then we can extrapolate and predict going forward and backward where something is going to be. And every time you see this sort of regularly occurring pattern here, that's because there isn't a whole lot of change going on. But on occasion, we do see something that changes within the data, recognized by these X's, and then the pattern changes. And this is what we're most interested in. The space between these red X's that tells us we have a new pattern of life emerging. And from that, we can start to gather data and build a model of what that pattern is, and then compare this with past behaviors. And that gives us context. That enables us to say, okay, we've seen this before, we've seen this is what happens next. So now we can make some assumptions on what are the next activities likely to occur. This helps space operators focus on priorities. It helps them with mission planning so that they can keep safety for all of the other space operators out there in mind as they do their mission planning. And this is the cutting edge of data science and space pattern of life predictions. Thank you. I'm Tim Haney with Spectrobotics. We'll talk more about this as things develop.